This is what Jared James means, that having a relationship starting from the closing table. This is what he means. I was representing my current clients, Jitendra and Anita, who are friends who were the friends of my previous transactions. And it so happened that in that transaction, I was representing the sellers and not them. But I clicked with them during the open house. And after the closing of the open house, I stayed in touch with them by giving Diwali gifts. So when the time was right for Anita and Jitendra to purchase their home, of course, Vijay, who was the buyer in the previous transaction, was the one recommended them to me. And I remember my first conversation with them. It was on, I believe it was on January 13th, because Vijay texted me that he wanted to talk to me about something. And I was at Vipassana. I was meditating the whole day. And as a requirement, I'm supposed to hand in my phone. I'm not supposed to have my phone. So I was totally incognito with outside world. So that evening, it was a one-day sitting, and that evening when I came out of my meditation, I saw all of my text messages, and I called Vijay up, and he introduced Jitendra and Anita to me. And from that point on, we went and we just saw only two houses. They were keen in neighborhood where they want to move. They were all pre-approved and pre-qualified. So the first house we went it was really very overpriced. The home was nice, but it was really overpriced, and they didn't go for it. But in the meantime, they came to know the house that Vijay was living right across it was coming up on the market. So we waited, we saw the house, and we placed an offer sight unseen. So in the contract, we put in a clause saying this contract would be contingent on seeing the house on X day. So I was in touch with the listing agent and we got the deal done. But I have to give my heartfelt thanks to Vijay. It's not only for him recommending the Anita and Jitendra, but also guiding them along with me, saying that this is the right move, this is a course of action you have to take, and all that. And that really made a huge difference in this transaction, along with the lender that I was working, Vikram Patel from Annie Mac, with the cash to keys deal. So everything came together as a teamwork. I'm really happy the whole deal worked out for Jitendra and Anita. And during the final walkthrough, they informed me that they didn't tell their daughter, and I think the daughter is 5 or 6 years old now, and it's going to be a total surprise for her. So I really want to see her face and how excited she will be, but unfortunately I won't be there to see the reaction. But from the bottom of my heart, I really truly wish Anita and Jitendra a happy life in their new home.